Welcome to Bali North Property. Today we offer a beautiful, fully furnished villa for sale in North Bali, located in a peaceful area surrounded by stunning natural scenery. This tropical villa sits on 250 square meters of land with 150 square meter building size, designed to provide comfort, privacy, and a relaxing Bali lifestyle. Imagine waking up every morning with fresh air, green rice field views, and the beauty of the ocean in the distance. The villa is located in the middle of a beautiful rice field landscape, creating a calm and authentic Balinese atmosphere. The property is fully furnished and ready to move in, making it perfect for a private residence, holiday home, or a profitable rental investment. North Bali is one of the most promising areas for property investment, offering natural beauty, tranquility, and growing tourism development. If you are looking for a villa with rice field views and ocean views in Bali, this property could be the perfect opportunity. Contact Bali North Property today to get more information or schedule a viewing. Your dream villa in Bali is waiting for you.